Oh my God, baka pag-special niya.
Ohio, nadaanan niyo na ba yung Conveni and Go pop-up dito sa may market entrance? You can try the newest Aji Soup and Go for free and they are only here until July 21. So if you're in the area, you might want to drop by and give these a try. We got invited to their pop-up and got to try all three Soup and Go flavors. Let's go! So the Aji Soup and Go flavors come in pumpkin, potato, and corn. Sobrang dali lang niya i-prepare guys, as in add hot water lang and it's ready. You can choose any of the flavors and get it with bread and choose between white or wheat bread. Tapos pwede rin i-request to have it toasted. Favorite ko out of all the flavors is this pumpkin soup. Ang galing lang na lasa talaga siyang pumpkin na manamis-namis. May pagka-creamy din yung consistency. Tapos bagay talaga with the toasted bread. Sakto rin na I haven't had breakfast yet, so this was a perfect way to start the day. My number 2 would be the corn soup. Pretty good too and makorn talaga yung lasa. Keep in mind lang na it's leaning towards the sweeter side pero nagustuhan ko talaga to and siguro pwedeng add more water na lang if you